Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Fine? Good. Take care of yourself. Okay. And we are going to start today with English grammar part. Okay. We are going to start with what? English grammar part. In that we have completed first 10 lessons. And we are going to study today 11th lesson. The name of our lesson is the calendar. Now what is there? What is there in this calendar? You know it very well. You have studied 12 months of the year from LKG onwards. I think so. Your teacher was teaching you from LKG onwards, right? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay. Now let us study. Let us study 12 months of the year. Now here sentence is given that there are 12 months in a year. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months. Now which are those 12 months? The 12 months which are there in the year are there are 12 months in a year. Which are those? First one, January, February. Okay, you have to pronounce it not January. You have to pronounce it January. Okay, January, February. This is Ari, not February. Are you understanding what you have to pronounce it? You have to pronounce it February, January. Okay, Ari it is. This is Ari, not January. It is not Wari. It is Ari. Okay, A-R-Y. Pronunciation of A-R-Y is what? Pronunciation of A-R-Y is what? Ari it is, not Wari. Okay. So here January, February. Keep in mind. You have to pronounce how I am pronouncing in same way you have to pronounce. January, February. Third one is March. Third one is what? March. Fourth one, April. Okay, April. After April is May. After May is June. Okay, these pronunciations are easy. Okay, April, May, June. After that is July. July. August. Okay. Ninth one is September. September. Don't say September. Okay, September. M is silent here. Okay, you don't have to say September. You have to say September. M is silent in that word. Okay. After September is October. Now which month is going on? October month is going on. Okay, don't say October. It is October. Are you understanding? You don't have to pronounce it October. M is not there. Here only T-O is there. October. Okay, what you have to pronounce it? October. After that is 11th month is November. And the last one is December. Which is the last one? December. In this way we have completed 12 months of the year. We'll pronounce it again. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Have you understood? In this way we have studied how many months of the year? We have studied 12 months of the year. Now here some questions are given. Question number 1 is given here is fill in the blanks with the correct month. What we have to do? Fill in the blanks is there. We have to fill the blanks with correct months. Now first one is I was born in the month of dash. When was I born? You have to write down your month. Okay, you was born in which month? Was you born in January or was you born in June or were you born in August? Were you born in October? Now my birth is in which month? You know, my birth is in May month. Okay, I am born in May month. Are you getting or not? Which month? May month. That is 5th. Understood? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we say what? I am born in 5th month, I am born in 6th month. 6th month means which month? June month. You should able to tell that like that. Okay, if someone will say you which is 10th month, then immediately you should able to tell it is October. Which is 12th month, then you should able to tell December. Which is 4th month, come on, tell April. Which is 2nd month, February. Which is 7th month, July. Which is 9th month, September. Which is 8th month, August. Understood? In this way you will have to learn the sequence, correct, sequence wise which month is 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and according to that sequence what you will have to learn, you will have to learn the spellings of the 12 months. You have to learn it. Okay, now your first question is I was born in the month of, you have to write down in which month you was born. Okay, second one, we have summer holidays from dash to dash. We have summer holidays in which months? We have summer holidays from, second one answer I am telling you, we have summer holidays from April to May. April to May. Understood? Next one, third one is, third, Raksha Bandhan falls in the month of dash. Now in which month do we have Raksha Bandhan? Many times you are celebrating, every year we are celebrating, and many times you know it comes in only August month. Are you understanding? Raksha Bandhan comes in August month. So your answer of third sentence is Raksha Bandhan falls in the month of August. In the month of August. Is it clear? Fourth one, the coldest months, here it is, fourth one, the coldest months of the year are, which are coldest months? Now we will have winter season, right? In Diwali vacation, winter season starts, right? So then which are the coldest months? The most coldest months of the year are December and January. Okay, so what answer we are going to write down? Fourth one, December and January. Okay, December and January are the months which are coldest. Okay, this 2 months are the coldest months of the year. Which 2 months are coldest months of the year? December and January are the coldest months of the year. Next one is, my parents' marriage anniversary falls in the month of. Now in which month does your parents' anniversary is there? Correct or not? Marriage anniversary, that you have to ask your parents. Please ask your parents and they will tell you in which month do they have their marriage anniversary. So that name of the month you have to write down as a last answer. Okay, after that is, there are 7 days in a week. You know it very well. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days. We studied about 12 months of the year. Now we are going to study 7 days of the week. Okay, so which are those? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, don't say Wednesday, say Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, Sunday, Monday, just a minute, I will write down 7 days of the week. First one is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, sixth one is Friday, and the last one, 7th, is Saturday. Okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, pronounce it properly. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These are 7 months of the these are 7 days of the week. Okay, there are 12 months of the year and 7 days of the week. So here it is, there is a fill in the blank. Fill in the blanks with the correct day. Dash is the last day of the week. Which is the last day of the week? Saturday. So what is our first answer? Our first answer is Saturday. Okay. Now second sentence is Monday comes just after. Monday comes just after what? Monday comes just after Sunday. So first answer is Saturday. Saturday, and second answer is Monday comes just after Sunday. Monday comes just after which day? It comes just after Sunday. Third one, Thursday is between. Thursday is the month. Thursday is in between what? Wednesday and Friday. So our third answer is what? Our third answer is Wednesday and Friday. Okay. Fourth one, the day just before Tuesday is. The day just before Tuesday is what? It is Monday. So fourth answer is what? Fourth answer is Monday. So what answer will come here? The day just before Tuesday is Monday. Next, fifth one is Wednesday comes between. Now Wednesday comes between what? Wednesday comes between Tuesday and Thursday. So fifth answer is what? Tuesday and Thursday. After that, last one is dash is a weekly holiday. You know it very well. Every week we have holiday on which day? We have holiday on Sunday. So last answer is Sunday. So students, you have to write, you have to do fill in the blanks of months of the year also, and you have to do fill in the blanks of weeks, days of the weeks. Okay, 2 fill in the blanks are there. In first fill in the blank 5 sentences are there. In second fill in the blank 6 sentences are there. Have you understood? Complete it and please learn the spellings of 12 months and 7 days of the week. Have you understood? 12 plus 7, how much it becomes? 12 plus 7, 19. You have to learn 19 spellings today. Have you understood? That is your homework. You can do one thing. One day you can learn 12 months. Okay. And next day you learn 7 days of the week. In this way we have completed our lesson number 11, the calendar. These are all things which are very much important in the calendar. Okay. Thank you.